Imagine creating a full slide presentation, going from idea to finished slides in under a minute, while still being able to review the outline. Now it's completely possible with AI Assist Works. Let me give you the tutorial. Open AI Assist Works from the Google Slides sidebar. Next, enter the slide descriptions, for example, a pitch deck for an AI marketing startup for content creators. You can also paste the outline or content into this field if you already have it. Next, choose the AI models. We recommend selecting fast, lightweight models such as Gemini Flash. Do not use reasoning models or expensive ones, as they offer little benefit in most cases. After that, choose the number of slides and click Generate. In a few seconds, you will receive a short description for each slide. You can review and modify each description or add details to suit your needs. You can also change the format. The available formats are bullet points, short paragraphs, images, and tables. If you're satisfied with the outline of each slide, simply click Generate Slides. Your slides will be ready in less than a minute. Your slides are ready. Let's review them. The slides were generated based on our selected format. If the format is an image, you'll receive an image prompt that you can use in our AI to Image tool. The next step is to change the theme. Go to the Slides menu, then click Change Theme. Our slide generator supports Google's native themes. If you have a Google Slides compatible theme, you can use it. Let's try each of the themes supported by Google Slides. Google provides dozens of themes you can use for your presentation. Simply choose a theme, and your slides will be changed immediately. You can also import a theme if you have a Google Slides compatible theme. Let's see and try more themes. This theme is beautiful and has a professional look. You can click Import Theme with this button. Ensure you choose a Google Slides compatible theme. Your slides are now ready. Creating a full presentation is as easy as providing a topic or content, and everything will be ready in less than a minute. The presentation is professional enough for common use cases, but we know it's not perfect yet. We will continue improving our slide generator in the future. Try AI Assist Works today and let me know your feedback.